Hello, welcome to my kitchen. I thought I'd share a little thing with you that I do with onions. I have never made cough syrup before with red onions, purple, whatever. But I got some today or this week, and I said, well, I could put them in the dehydrator. But I'll make some more cough syrup. All natural. This is an old label from some I made a long time ago. But I don't know if they're all gonna fit in this jar. I might need a new jar. A bigger jar. Dishwasher. Oh, let me take that back. Hi, I'm the dishwasher. That's where I keep. That's my canning cupboard. Yeah, I don't want douches in there. That's the canning cupboard. Anyway, cough medicine. It's good for your scratchy throat. It's good for bringing up some of that phlegm. It's good for all kind of stuff. That, as you can tell, I have throat issues. No, I don't. It isn't from smoking. It's from cancer and tumors. So, chop your onion. I made some. Matter of fact, this is the one I took this morning. It's in my fridge. Onion and cough syrup. And it's been in my fridge for well over 6 months. I made this with white onion and sugar. Keep it in the fridge because you know sugar ferments, so it's like the hummingbird stuff. You don't want to put that out in the heat. You don't want to keep this out in the heat either. So keep it in your fridge. You'll have to oh, look how nice and look at that. Yeah. I don't like onions per se. I cook with them. I do not like raw onions. But the sugar makes it palatable for someone like me. So with your kids who may like onions, this is better for them than any cough medicine, any congestion medicine, any kind of medicine you're going to buy at the market for an exorbitant amount of price. $15 for a little... No. Get them used to this. This might be sweeter. I don't know. I'm going to try this. I'm going to try making this one. And all you do is cover it. You'll be saying, oh, measure this, measure that. No. Just make sure it's covered with sugar. Okay? And that sugar, by tomorrow, will have drained all of the good stuff out of there. There you go. Okay? There you go. Put the lid on. Okay. And stick that bad boy in the fridge. Okay? Stick it in the fridge, come back later. But this is what it should look like. Nice and creamy syrup. Pour that syrup out into a little bottle. Label it. And do away or eat the onions. You may like them. Who knows? They might taste like candied onions to you. But, yeah. Healthy. No chemicals. I'm going to try this one tomorrow. Yeah, it might be sweeter because of the fact that these are sweeter onions. But I made mine with white onions because these have a very stronger onion taste. I'll cook with these. Last thing about the onions is this purple, the outside, the dry stuff. If you add some vinegar, since it's hunting egg time, you just add some vinegar to that and let it soak. And you come back later and you'll be able to color some turkey eggs with that. Little eggs. You stick them in there and they'll get all purple and stuff. Yeah. Anyway. Okay, that you don't have to put in the fridge. we're just going to stick that over there in the corner and come back tomorrow and see what that looks like. But, yeah, Easter time's coming. Okay, guys. Make some cough medicine. Cheaper. Healthier. And it works. Who knew? Peace out.